Dear friends, welcome back to the channel with another episode in bWAPP series. In this episode, we are going to deal with SMTP or mail header injection. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So what is SMTP header injection? As you know, SMTP stands for or short of Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. And such vulnerability arises when user input is placed into email headers without adequate sanitization, allowing an attacker to inject additional headers with arbitrary values. And this behavior can be exploited to send copies of emails to third parties, attach virus, or deliver phishing attacks. For example, we can use or take advantage of this vulnerability or exploit this vulnerability to perform phishing attack. Okay? So now let's go to practical part. Head over to Kali Linux VM and we can supply username and password. Login. And this is the bug we should deal with in this episode. Okay, hack. And now the level is low. But if you check source code of this application, low and medium secret level are almost the same. Okay, so I just demo the low secret level in this episode. So how to do? Maybe we can put, of course, my bWAPP is configured as host only and will not send email to the real mail server. Okay. So here we are presented this web page. This means web server is connected to SMTP server, and we can provide some details like name, email, and remarks, and information will be sent to this address. For example, we can put like a JSON and a JSON anything, not a real email. And hello, I'm testing the security issues. Okay, and send, and then we can get this message: your message has been sent to our master B. Okay, so next we can utilize bWAPP, our popular web proxy, and to analyze what's going on, and also we can try to exploit it. Let me doesn't have interesting, doesn't have Firefox installed. Not this one. Why? I do not. Yes, here, and disable. We can access bWAPP and login, and then we can select this bug, and then we can configure Foxy proxy to use this one, bWAPP. So all traffic will be going through bWAPP proxy, and then we can analyze request and response, and afterwards we can manipulate or exploit it. Okay. This bug is very easy in comparison to previous video. We dealt with LDAP injection. Even it will take you a long time to install or set up LDAP environment. Okay, let me enable intercept option, and we can put like a JSON and JSON test.com and hello, and we can send it. So then, this request has been captured. We can send this request to a repeater, a module. So as you can see here, there are different fields like name, like email, and the remarks. So how to do? We can try to use the line separator. Then we can use \n, and this tells SMTP server the next line would be different header, not the part of this line. Okay, so we can like a BCC, suddenly send email to the victim. For example, like a victim, like a Gmail server. Of course, this is not a real email address, only for demonstration purpose. Again, just said bbox is configured as host only. Okay, so now let me send it, and you will see like the message. Your message has been sent to our master B. Okay, and also in the meantime, we'll send it to this new address, BCC address, and we can use this way to conduct a phishing attack. Okay, so I think that's it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day, please.